just at Sainsbury's in Lee, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Well, Sainsbury's has this nice big tin filled with Hot Wheels main lines, and at a price of £2.40 at the moment, it is not a good price for Hot Wheels in Sainsbury's. We are looking for around £1.50. And any other store that we see at £2.40, like the Entertainer and Tesco, which hosts the Entertainer, they do have deals on like 3 for 2. So yeah, come on Sainsbury's, get on board, get this price down. Anyway, let's dive right into this. And I've been seeing loads of A, B and C case out there since the start of 2026. So I think we've just got a big mixture, big mess of cases in this tin. But first up, we've got this, the Bugatti Bolide, which is from that starting grid set of 2026. And I really do like the colours on this Bugatti. I think it looks great with those white wheels as well. I do wish it did have the Bugatti badge printed on the front there, but it does have some great tooling on the back. It does look like a Batmobile with that spoiler, those 4 exhausts, and that big diffuser on the bottom there. But it does look like this on the actual car as well. It is an absolutely crazy car, this, in real life. I'll put on screen how much it would cost to buy one, because I'm sure it's not £2.40. Very cool casting. Do like seeing this one. I do have it already, so I'll just pop it over here. Next up, we've got the Pass and Go, which is that brand new for 2026 Monopoly car. It does have 90 years of Monopoly stamped on the top of the card here and on the back of the car as well. This is from that drop top set of 2026. Set filled with convertible cars, and possibly the first time that Mattel and Monopoly have done a collaboration like this. It's obviously one of the playing pieces off the board, and I would never have known that Monopoly was 90 years old this year, but very collectible, awesome casting. I do have this one already, but I wouldn't mind having one loose as well, so I'm going to take this. Let's pop it over here, and let's keep going. This is a brand new fantasy casting called the Drift Box, and I think it looks great. It reminds me of like the 1990s cars, and you can see this is actually from the Hot Wheels Euro set of 2026. Right now, I don't know what else is in that set, so I'll have a look at the graphic that I make. So as we find out what they are, I put them all in a little graphic, so we know what we're looking for in those sets. But yeah, not the biggest fan of fantasy, but I think this one does look really cool with an awesome polka dot livery, and it says Dots Hot Wheels Drift Shop on the side there. Very nice. I might actually take this, pop it over here. Let's keep looking. Very cool 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from that Nightspeed set. We have seen this one a few times before. It's not a brand new casting, but that livery, it looks great, doesn't it? With the pinstriped flames up and down the bonnet and on the side as well. Such a beast of a car. I do like my Mustangs, but that Dark Horse one, oof. Yeah, that one's fantastic, isn't it? This is great too, and I do have this one already, so I'm gonna leave this here. Let's keep going. Very cool 2018 Honda Civic Type R, another one from the Nightspeed set. This one's pretty clean, except for it's got that CJ's written on the side there. Not a clue what that logo is, to be honest. Let me know if you know. This is so clean though, other than that CJ's logo, and look at the front end on this thing. They've done so much detailing. It even says Type R there as well, next to the Honda badge. It does have the Type R red interior as well, which I think is fantastic. Yeah, I do have this one already, so I'll leave this here. and I've just seen this, the McLaren F1 casting just sitting there in this tin, and I've only ever found one other mainline Formula 1 casting out in stores. That was the Mercedes-Benz F1 team. But look at this, guys, you've got the 2024 livery on a very cool F1 casting. Love the fact that you've got the driver in there, and it does have the McLaren Formula 1 team stamp on the back of the card as well. Now, if you're like me and you want to keep most of your castings on the cards and keep them fresh and pristine, I recommend using Class UK's car protectors. Let me show you why, guys. When you find a car that you really like and you want to keep it on the card in pristine condition, I would advise using Class UK car protectors. They're really easy to use. They open up like a clamshell, just like this. You pop the car inside, and there you go, complete protection for your collection. I use them on all of my favourite cars so I don't get them damaged. Lee, who's the owner of Class UK, is actually a big Hot Wheels collector himself, and you can tell that he really does care about the product that he's designing. You see this lip here? Well, you won't find that on other car protectors. And what it does is it elevates the bubble so it doesn't get any scratches on the display, keeping the protector looking nice and clear. This is the short car protector, but Class also do long car protectors, premium car protectors, and if you go to the website, they've got ones for character cars, a full 5 set of premiums, and the first ever premium F1 protectors. You can use this code to get 10% off your first order over £30. Thanks to Class UK for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it. So yeah, very, very happy to find this one. I'm definitely going to be taking it. Let's pop it up here. And let's keep looking. We've got the Mazda MX-5 Miata. And we've got a destroyed card here that's definitely not being protected. Unfortunately, someone ran away with the Alfa Romeo off this card, but yeah. Let's keep going. Ah, the Carbonator, which is actually celebrating the new year. It says Happy New Year on the top there for 2026. It does have 2026 on the card as well. This is from the Experimenta set of 2026. A full set that usually has a unique use to each car. This one actually opens bottles. It's got a bottle opener on the back of it. So yeah, very relevant for the new year. Cool casting. I don't really collect a lot of fantasy though, so I'll be leaving this one here. Let's keep going. We've got the Barbie Dream Camper, which is from that new Mattel set. It's a 5 set filled with cars that are like nostalgic from Mattel. So they do have the quick chat in there as well with the, you know, the old phone. It's all like 80s toys and stuff. So very cool to see. I do have this one already, so I'll leave it here. Let's keep looking. We've got the What's Up, which I keep looking at and thinking, is that treasure hunt from Seacase? I can't think of the name of it now, but they have a similar theme to me, and yeah, I keep getting confused whether or not this one is that. But it's not. Oh, nice! It's the Ferrari SF90 Stradale in its brand new colour blue. It's like a midnight metallic blue. Very beautiful colour this. Probably one of the best colours that I've seen on the Ferraris. This is from that Ferrari set of 2026 as well. It's actually been 10 years since Hot Wheels had the Ferrari license. So any Ferraris that you see are very scarce and are leaving shelves. So very happy to find this one out here because I do have one of these already, but I'd like to let one loose as well. So what an amazing car. Love this one. I'll be taking that. Let's keep looking. Oh, look at this. It's the Braille Racer. It's in like a champagne colour, but I've not mentioned this for a while now, and I do think it's fantastic that Mattel do this. They actually have put Braille on the side of this thing, so even if you're blind, you know exactly what casting is inside of this. You can see it's got the stamp of the Braille Institute up here, and I'm guessing this is a day celebrating Braille. This is part of the All Drivers Welcome set, which I'm going to guess is 5 cars that will help involve people with additional needs. So yeah, this does actually say the name of the model in Braille on the front of the card here, and just shows how Mattel doesn't want to exclude anybody from getting die-cast cars. Really awesome. Anyway, I just thought I'd mention that. Leave it here. Let's keep looking. Very cool Gas Monkey Garage 1968 Corvette in green. I remember this coming out as a super treasure hunt and looking for it everywhere, but yeah, I never hunted it down. This is from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage, which I think is, yeah, 2025 Dream Garage. It is a very cool casting, and I do like this colour on it as well. What a good car. No, you're all good. Anyway, yeah, let's leave this here. Let's keep looking. Oh, there's the quick chat, which is from 2025's Experimotors set, rather than the Mattel set, but you can find it in the Mattel set as well. They have done a few castings this year which are identical to last year, like the Optimus Prime as well. I don't know why that is, but yeah, it gives you a second chance of grabbing them. So cool quick chat. And I think this one, yeah, as it rides along, it rumbles and moves the phone. That's pretty cool. All right, let's keep going. Very nice Porsche Taycan Turbo S, which I have picked up before. Everybody loves a Porsche. Well, everybody I know loves a Porsche. Right, I think we're coming to the end of this box now. We've got another Bugatti Bolide there. We've got the Honda Civic Type R again. A lot the same castings over and over, but some really unique and good ones. Oh, here's a cool one, the Pixel Shaker. It does look like it's been made in a game or something. Very cool pixelated flame decal on the side. I do like that a lot. From the Hot Wheels Ride-On set. And anything that has this Let's Race logo on is from the kids' Netflix TV show. And my son loves all those cars, so I have picked him up a few of these. I'm going to leave this one here though. And what's our last casting? We got another Roger Dodger. There are a few premiums around, but it's just all the same Hot Wheels silhouettes. Nissan 300ZX. And it's just like over and over. Maybe that's the peg warmer of the set. It probably is. I do have the Liberty Walk Super Silhouette and the RWB Porsche 930 as well. Still, it's crazy to see good castings just left on the pegs, you know what I mean? Anyway, we've been through this whole box. I'm going to tidy up and let's see what we found, guys. Well, we found some fantastic castings in this Sainsbury's. Let me know if there's anything I've left behind that you guys would have taken, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting.